In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom widget in Zoho Desk. If you're looking to enhance your Zoho Desk Help Center with tailored interactions and personalized content, then creating a custom widget is an excellent step. Let's walk through the process together, making sure every detail is clear and manageable. To begin, you need to select the specific Help Center that you want to customize. This is critical because the customizations we are about to apply will only be effective in the Help Center you choose. Once you've decided on the right Help Center, you'll want to dive into the customization options. The next step takes you to the Help Center customization section. You'll click Customize on the theme that's currently active in your Help Center. This area allows you to identify the aesthetic and functional elements, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right theme before moving on. Now direct your attention to the top menu, where you'll find the Widgets option. Click on Widgets, and then shift your focus to the left panel where you'll see an option for custom widgets. This is where the magic happens as we embark on creating your unique widget. To add a new widget, simply hit the plus icon. Imagine this as opening a new canvas where you can infuse your creativity and functional needs. As you create this widget, setting a widget name is your first task. Choose a name that is intuitive and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Next, explore the visibility options. This includes setting language preferences and display name settings for your widget. It's important to make adjustments here to align with the language needs of your audience or any branding requirements you may have. These visibility settings ensure that your widget appears exactly as needed across different setups and user preferences. Following this, you need to decide on which departments will display this widget. By default, the widget will be shown in all departments, but you can make changes to tailor it to specific areas. This is useful if certain information or interactions only apply to certain teams or customer segments. Now comes the fun part: adding your content. This can be HTML, text, or any other elements you wish to include. Think about what you'd like your users to see or interact with and insert accordingly. Once you've perfected your content, you don't want to lose your progress, so make sure to click Save. Finally, it's time to position this widget where it will provide the most value. Using the drag and drop functionality in the Pages tab, you can easily place your widget on desired pages, like the Help Center home or the knowledge base. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview your widget to ensure it looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish. And there you have it, a custom widget beautifully integrated into your Zoho Desk Help Center. Follow these steps, and you'll create meaningful and impactful interactions for your users.